Have you ever learned a new English word, felt so proud that you finally know it, and then, the very next day, you can't remember it at all? Why does this happen? Well, it's actually simple. Our brain remembers words better when we use them, not just when we see them once in a book or a list. If you only look at a word and don't practice it in real life, your brain thinks, oh, maybe this is not so important, and it slowly disappears. But don't worry. The good news is you can train your brain to keep those words. You don't need to study for hours or memorize long lists. You just need the right tricks to make the words stick. Let me share a few simple ways that really work. The first trick is simple: use the word immediately. Don't just read it and move on. For example, if you learn the word delicious, don't just think, okay, I know this now. Say it out loud, make a sentence, or write it in a short message. Like you could say, this pizza is delicious. Or even joke with yourself, my English is delicious today. The more you play with the word, the more your brain says, ah, this is important. Let's keep it. The next trick is to connect the word to something you already know. Our brains love stories and pictures, not just letters on a page. So if the word is delicious, don't just memorize the spelling. Imagine your favorite food, maybe a big slice of pizza, maybe chocolate cake, and put the word delicious right on top of it in your mind. Now, every time you see or even think about that food, your brain will whisper, delicious. That connection makes it almost impossible to forget. Another reason we forget is because we try to learn too many words at once. Your brain gets tired and says, nope, I can't keep all of that. So here's the trick. Review in small steps. Instead of learning 20 new words in one day, focus on 3 to 5 and come back to them tomorrow. Just spend a few minutes, read them, say them, and make quick sentences again. It's like watering a plant. A little water every day keeps it alive. A big bucket once and then nothing for a week. The plant dies. Words are the same. Small reviews every day make them grow in your memory. One of the best ways to remember a word is to teach it. Sounds funny, right? But when you explain a word to another person, your brain goes, oh, this must be important. Let's lock it in. You don't need a real classroom. You can just tell a friend or even explain it to yourself in the mirror. For example, the word delicious means really tasty. You use it when food is very good. When you teach it, you're not only saying the word, you're also thinking about how to explain it. That's double practice, and it makes the word stick much longer. Okay, let's practice together right now. The word is excited. Repeat after me. I'm excited about learning English. Now, close your eyes for a second and imagine yourself about to go on a trip, or maybe meeting your best friend. Feel that energy in your body. That's excited. Now try teaching it. Say it out loud. Excited means happy and full of energy. You use it when something good is going to happen. See what we did. You used the word, connected it to a feeling, and explained it. That's 3 tricks in one. Do this, and I promise, the word will stay with you. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one English word you always forget? Write it in the comments below. Maybe it's a tricky word or one that always disappears when you try to speak. Share it, and I'll help you practice it in the next lessons. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my buddy, Mr. English, so we can keep learning together. Remember, you're not studying alone, you've got your buddy here with you. See you in the next video.